kid says, "Can I go out there?" And the mom says, the mom says, "No, Flower. There's wicked people out there."
Mm.
So you have to say that.
And then,
You have to
Lucy,
say
I think you
there's
sing
wicked.
next. Mother knows best. Listen to your mumsy.
You have to do. You have to. When I say, "Can I go out there?" and say, "No, there's wicked people out there, Flower. Can I go out there?" "No, there's wicked people out there." But I can fight them. You're not here yet, okay? Flowers screaming low. No, I'm a knight. Flowers I'm a knight. I'm not. Yeah.
I think that's Flynn Rider because it sounds like his name. Is that Finn Rider? Look, it's Finn riding a bike. It's Finn Rider.
No, it's Finn. It's Finn Biker.
Finn Biker.
Was my